Success, Guardian.
I'm gonna back up a little bit. Oh, actually, no. Wait, I got a good idea. This one's actually...
They
This
got
is actually a
me.
really good idea, I think. I hope. It's a good idea.
Da Vinci, they got me. I'm down.
Alright. Yep, I'm 4 seconds, Da Vinci.
Oh, you bastard.
I got hit
had
by
him.
them fucking Cyans as soon as
Sorry.
they came up there.
I can resist.
Are you still using Scorch Cannon? Nice.
There's a post on Reddit, on the Destiny Reddit, saying that Celestial Nighthawk should make your character scream as they shoot and make it so it's slow to do a nuclear detonation whenever you hit them.
My bad. Got a little crazy on that one.
You know about the eyes, though, right?
The eyes?
On the Celestial Nighthawk?
No, what about him?
When you ADS, they glow.
Ooh.
You know what? I need this heavy out here.
Oh no.
Oh.
Oh yeah, of course. Good job, guys. You cleared it. Right, I was about to get some fucking heavy.
Are not.
Way to be heroes, Revolter and Da Vinci.
I think me and Da Vinci have just been running shit all day, so...
Return
nerds
to
anymore.
Warlock, Guardian.
So I can't hear Escaflon, and every once in a while he asks a question, and I hear you guys start talking about a different or new subject. It's pretty nice. It's like I'm getting a little tour of things that are in Destiny. Like the little filters in the loading screen.
I can't hear him. What's he saying?
What reputation do you get for this? If you're wearing your faction,
House
do you
of
get
Judgment.
faction? So it doesn't matter what faction thing you're wearing, right? Because I got this House of Wolves
House of
one.
Judgment.
I just got this House of Wolves one, and it's pretty badass.
Hey,
I'm gonna wear this.
Hey, White Nail, how about you actually kick in?
Oh,
Because that was
yeah.
totally a few precision shots. There we go.
Where are you guys going? Huh? Can we go over here and kill stuff?
Dixie over here.
I was just joking. I was on my way following you guys.
No! You were so close.
Yeah.
Oh!
See ya.
I might need to switch to a shotgun or something.
I don't understand how that fucking guy got me.
Very nice.
Oh wait. Doesn't Zach Smith class kind of...
Yes.
Fuck me. I know.
Damn.
I have neither on this character. I'm slowly switching them. Uh-oh.
Behind us.
Yeah, I know.
Anywhere with, the thing, what are the things called? Anywhere with, prowling wolves. So either Earth or Venus. I think Earth more, but that's just because I like Earth more.
You go to the moon.
Watch.
Oh my god, he got me right while I was popping my bubble.
Sorry, Da Vinci.
Oh, damn it.
I'll get him. No worries,
Sorry.
Ty.
Thanks, bro.
Do you guys remember whenever we did Flawless Raider?
I did.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't stop this boss. This boss doesn't slow down.
Maybe you go down to the grocery store and buy some. That forgets this whole thing ever happened.
Just one time Petra's farm is
Hey
bad.
Ty,
More enemies.
my turn.
Important target, Guardian. Kill or be killed.
Shotguns or be shotguns. Good.
I made some Orbeez. Orbeez.
We're supposed
You
to
like
shoot
them?
this thing?
We have to kill the guy, but he's gonna come to us, so.
Ah, I missed that nade. Yes, we have a servitor here on the Nightfall. He's not nice. He's a mean one.
I don't know where specifics is.
Success, Guardian.
He's right in front of me. He shooted me. And
I see
I'm
that.
running. He doesn't like my corrective measure. Sure. My 300 corrective measure. I'm just shoving down his throat. Make him die slowly, you know? Truth
It's
is
like yelling at
65.
him. Take it.
I gotta switch my damn secondary. Son of a bitch.
Oh, I'm dying. I'm dying. There might be ammo down here, Ted. Or Ty, sorry. Yeah, I know. I'll call you every name in the book besides your name. First try. I'm a horrible person.
I just accidentally had forgotten to upgrade my
Sorry.
method class. I just got it up to 365 while we were playing.
Beautifully.
I was like, I need to send this. Nope, transfer over some exotic shards real quick. Dude, Destiny Item Manager is what I'm using, and it's so good. Have a bubble.
Alright, here's my Hawkmoon. Here's my Hawkmoon. I'll delete my Titan and my Hunter. I'll delete my Titan and my Hunter if I get Hawkmoon. I don't care. I'll do it. I'll do it right now if I get Hawkmoon. I don't even care. I don't even care. Come on. Give me it.
Oh,
Intercept important target.
he got the truth. He got the truth. Paul Pierce.
I don't even want to live. I hate it.
Do you have your bubble up, Big C?
Yeah, I got it.
Can you go put a bubble on that point?
Fuck. Thought you wanted it right here, my bad. I used it like a jackass. Which
You gotta
point?
get to him.
Alright, I'm on my way.
Good thing I didn't already have truth. Oh, wait a second.
I'm fucking shot. Son of a bitch.
Oh, thanks for helping me through the Nightfall, guys. You guys are like really awesome.
Good, dude.
Fuck me. Sorry, Da Vinci.
There it goes.
Nope.
My bad. I'll save my bubble for the point. I fucked up on that one.
Well, and we could
I'm
have
gonna-
gone. We could have waited. I forgot how long it takes for him to spawn. That second time.
I'm gonna head to bed because I have finals tomorrow and I'm not ready.
All right.
You face
Alright, thanks. See you guys tomorrow.
Same.
They will try to kill you. Kill them back.
I'll switch to Galahorn too. Oh wait.
Do you want me to switch to Galahorn? not running there. Fuck else, we just get on her too. Damn, there we go.
I needed one.
Guardian down.
God damn.
Vandal coming up on us hot. Sword hanging in the air with electric charge.
Gotcha.
About to get killed.
Yeah.
Guardian down.
No! Come on! In the middle of so many of them. Wow, that was bold, Vinci.
Out of primary, out of secondary. Son of a bitch.
I was like, I guess we're just wiping. Okay.
Oh, that's a wipe.
Alright. We got a bubble right here. Two blinding bubbles, finally, to secondary.
Oh my god, wait, the
chest with the yellow light coming out of the top of them. After you kill all the wolves, and it says the wolves retreat, and you have the ether key.
Ooh, heavy.
Enemies advance.
Someone sounds pissed.
Important target, Guardian. Kill or be killed.
Alright, we want to move around slowly to the right. We can get to that fight better. And stay together.
Alright.
I mean, we don't have to. I'm down for whatever. Panic bubble.
Guardian down.
Panic bubble.
We gotta get to him though now.
He's there.
Guardian down.
Get him, McC. Yes. No.
You disappoint.
I got him! I shot him!
Wait,
He had half
what?
a hair left and I hit him with the Gallahorn. How'd he survive that?
I've done all the Queen's bounties on this character.
The Doc 13 is when you
Doc-
walk in, go to the right.
Yeah, it's easy.
Just fucking hang on a second. Give me 1 second before I run in there.
Lost. Fallen. They will try to kill you. Kill them back.
Alright, let's do this. Yeah, I got no special
Well,
ammo,
I didn't
no
do the
quick
Queen's
permanent ammo.
bounties on my other characters, just on my hunter. My hunter?